Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to look for secret hidden items buried around web fishing by talking to the guy that sells props and the metal detector. So to find this guy, you're going to have to go over here past the hub. You can go across this little river behind it and follow this path. And he is on, I guess what you could call like the secret beach, but he's just kind of off along the beach here. To our left, there's just a shack next to a sort of secluded little dock where you can buy stuff from a mysterious collector. So we're just gonna go back here, go down this ramp, and then back here in this corner is a secret little house and a bait selling station where we can talk to the dock shop. And this guy allows you to buy things like gold watches and gold monocles and cool stuff like that. Different hidden things. You can also buy scratch-off tickets from him. But what we're more interested in is buying a metal detector so that we can try to find some hidden items around the map, including the pieces. And you can also buy props from him that you can do to like set down like a cute picnic while you're fishing with your friends. All that stuff you can buy here as well. So once you've got your metal detector, you can hit tab to open your inventory. Then you can hit 1 through, I don't know, what is it, 5 to put it in one of your action bars, and you can pull that out and you can listen for the beeps of hidden stuff. It's basically just like a real world metal detector, but you're doing it inside of web fishing. Alright, we got a bite. So now we just gotta follow the trail till we find the item in question. We're getting warmer. Getting warmer. Oh, there we go. And we found a button. Looks like a decorative pin of some kind, which is probably now here underneath of our... Oh no, I got a face thing. Oh, it's a sellable button that we can sell for $3. Okay. Well, not exactly a huge treasure haul, but you kind of get the idea. Once you see that little red dot pop up above your head as you're wandering around the game, you'll know that there is a hidden something underneath the ground nearby that you can scan for and try to find. And you can be taken all over the game, anywhere where you presumably would be able to dig something up. There might be something hidden there for you to gather. So just do your thing and wander around, and eventually you will collect all of the hidden items that are buried inside of the ground. Oh, we got another bite. So when you're using the metal detector, you don't really have to press anything until you find whatever it is that's buried, and you just wander around until this red light and the sound starts flashing and getting really loud. Here we go. And the only thing I have to really click is once I zero in on the pile, you just have to click E in order to find it. So I found a blade fragment. That means it's a piece of the sword that I can buy from the dockside store. I think there's like 3 to 5 pieces of all of those different things, and I believe that it's kind of completely random where all of this stuff ends up being. Alright, I found a random soda tab, so that's just junk. And just like the regular fishing, like this isn't all going to be treasure. Like some of this is just going to be straight up junk. So feel free to wander around and just collect stuff. Oh, what do we get now? We got a fragment of one of the monocles. So yeah, that's just a brief look at how metal detecting works inside of web fishing. I hope you found this helpful. This has been a brief little tutorial. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section below, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.